Hi everyone, this is question number 6 in chapter 2. So given a curve y equals to x squared minus ax plus b, and by using the first principle, we have to find the gradient function. Now, gradient function is mt, which is dy by dx. Okay, so we have to find the gradient function dy dx. So by using the first principle, we just need to add del y to our original function here equals to x plus del x. So each x will experience the small changes of del x and then plus b. All right, now we expand this. So we have x squared plus 2x del x plus del x squared and then minus ax minus a del x and then plus b. And then we know that x squared minus ax and then plus b is actually y. So y plus del y. So the y here and the y there simplified. We're left with del y equals to 2x del x plus del x squared minus a del x. So remember, we have to divide both sides with del x so that we can get del y by del x. So we have 2x plus del x minus a. And then dy dx can be obtained by looking for the limit of del y by del x as del x approaches 0. So 2x plus del x minus a. So when this approaches 0, so we will have our dy dx 2x minus a. So that is the gradient function to this curve. So that is for part A. And in part B, now, given that the value of gradient of the curve, so the gradient, okay, when the gradient is 2. So this gradient 2 is at the point, right, to -3. So this is the x and this is the y. So we need to find the value of a and b. So by using the gradient function in a, so we know that the gradient of the tangent at 2, -3 is 2. So the gradient of the tangent is 2x minus a. So let's just put 2x. So 2x, we substitute the point x as well. So that is 2. So minus a equals to 2. So 4 minus a equals to 2. Therefore, a equals to 4 minus 2. This swap place, yeah? So we got 2. So we found a to be 2. Now, how do we find b? So we just need to substitute the point 2, -3 into the curve y equals to x squared minus ax plus b. Okay, so we substitute, okay, substitute 2, -3 into -3, yeah, into y equals to x squared. Since the 2 already found, so just put 2x and then plus b. So whenever we see y, we replace with -3. Whenever we see x, we replace with 2. So 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus b. 2 squared is 4 minus 4, we got 0. Therefore, we got b equals to -3. So we found the answer for A and the B. That's it for question number 6.